Today, you will learn how to disable Mini Toolbar in Word. Once Word is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. Look near the bottom left side and click on Options. In some older versions of Word, this may also appear as Word Options. Make sure you are inside the General section. Now look carefully in the User Interface Options area. You will see a checkbox called Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. This is the setting that controls the floating toolbar that appears whenever you highlight text. To disable the Mini Toolbar, simply click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's it. Now when you select text inside your Word document, the Mini Toolbar will no longer appear. If you ever change your mind later and want the Mini Toolbar back, just go to File, then Options, then General, and place the checkmark back on Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.